In this skills session, you will learn how to add detailed regions to a Word template. For more information on how to gather detailed data, please refer to the skills session on using Salesforce reports with Conga Composer. Detail regions identify a portion of your Word template that dynamically grows to accommodate data retrieved from a Salesforce report, SQL query, opportunity line items, or quote line items. These types of data sets are referred to as detailed data. Detail regions are commonly used when generating quotes, contracts, or invoices, and any additional data outside of the master, org, and user data sets with multiple line items included. Merge fields and other text within a detail region automatically repeat for each result from the detailed data set. For example, if your Salesforce report retrieves 5 results, the detail region will expand to accommodate those 5 rows. Detail regions are usually created across a table row, above and below a table, and on a page outside of a table. Let's look at how to create detail regions across the table row, which is one of the most common ways our customers use detail regions in their templates. Creating a detail region across the table row tells Conga Composer that the row should repeat for each row of detailed data from the data set. The master, org, and user data sets are automatically displayed here in the Conga Template Builder for you to add to your template. Detailed data sets are used to create detail regions in your template to dynamically grow and repeat detailed data in your merged output file. Data for detail regions must come from a Salesforce report, SQL query, opportunity line items, or quote line items. By default, Conga Composer retrieves the opportunity line item dataset anytime you use an opportunity as the master object. The same is true for quote line items when using a quote as the master object. To gather any other detailed data related to your master object, use the Salesforce report or SQL query to display those datasets in the Conga Template Builder. In this example, an opportunity is our master object, and we'll use the opportunity line items for our detailed data set. To specify a detail region in your template, insert 2 special merge fields called Table Start and Table End to mark the beginning and the end of a region. Notice how the Conga Template Builder automatically adds these fields to a table so that you can easily add it to your template. You can also manually create detail regions without using the Template Builder by creating merge fields for Table Start and Table End. Everything placed between the Table Start and Table End fields, such as merge fields, static text, etc., will repeat for each result from the corresponding report, query, opportunity line items, or quote line items dataset. The best practice is to highlight the Table Start and Table End fields in red text to distinguish them from the other merge fields, and remind you that these fields will not display in your merged output file, but rather only in the template. The Template Builder automatically highlights these fields in red for you. Be sure to format and make adjustments to your template as needed, such as right-aligning the currency columns. Then, save and test your solution. Remember, there are other ways to use detail regions, such as above and below a table, and on a page outside of a table. For details on how to use the other types of detail regions, please see the Conga Composer Word Template Guide. Here is the merged output file. Notice that the 5 product results from our opportunity line items are now displayed in 5 rows in the table, thanks to our detail region. That's the power of detail regions. You only have to reference the merge fields once, but the region dynamically accommodates the results from the dataset. Great job! Now you can add creating detail regions to your Conga bag of tricks.